Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this very beautiful circa 1950s, maybe even 1940s Elgin watch. As you can see, this is a small ladies piece. It has this very interesting rose gold tone case, which is most likely gold plated, and then we have this flexible gold tone, so yellow gold tone bracelet that doesn't seem to match the case of the watch, but nonetheless a very beautiful piece. Here we have the also rose gold crown, a very nice piece, 15 jewels, very nicely decorated case. As you can see, it has a few details right here, and you have this classic shape that belongs to the 1940s, 1950s, so Art Deco watches. This is a manual winding watch, so you are going to need to rotate the watch crown in order to wind the watch. A very beautiful piece. This is how you wind it. The watch winds beautifully and is in a very good working condition. Here we can have a look at the movement. As you can see, Elgin, all the information, so the serial number and the 15 jewels that powers this movement. As you can see, very clean, very beautiful piece and in working condition. Also, we have here the case back. Also, as you can see, it has been cleaned up. So guys, this was the watch that we had for you today. Once again, an Elgin Art Deco ladies piece, a very elegant one. You can find it for sale on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description below. Guys, we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. A very nice and interesting piece from the 50s. Thank you guys, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'm going to see you on the next one.